Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread in a Zojirushi bread machine. First, let's gather our ingredients. For a standard 2-pound loaf, you will need 1 1/3 cups of lukewarm water. Next, measure out 4 1/4 cups of bread flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of dry milk. Finally, prepare 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 1/2 tablespoons of softened butter, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Now, let's load the bread pan correctly. First, make sure the kneading blades are properly attached to the rotating shafts. Pour the 1 1/3 cups of lukewarm water into the pan. Next, carefully add the flour, sugar, dry milk, salt, and softened butter, layering them on top of the liquid. Finally, make a small indentation in the center of the flour and add the 2 teaspoons of yeast, ensuring it does not touch the water. With your ingredients loaded, it's time to set your Zojirushi. Carefully place the bread pan into the machine, ensuring it clicks into place. Close the lid. Now, select the basic or regular basic course from the menu. You can also choose your desired crust color, like light, medium, or dark, using the crust control setting. Once everything is selected, simply press the start button to begin the baking process. Your Zojirushi has worked its magic. Once the baking cycle is complete, carefully remove the hot bread pan from the machine. Invert the pan to release the beautiful, freshly baked loaf onto a wire cooling rack. It is crucial to let the bread cool completely for at least 60 minutes before slicing. This allows the internal structure to set. Then, slice with a serrated knife and savor your delicious homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.